Jesse, man.
Yeah, man. We're going to get after it again, see what we can do on this old hot rod. It's been fighting us from one end to the other, ain't it, Houston?
Golly. Guys, this episode is going to be cram-packed with so much shenanigans. There's so many problems we ran into.
There's going to be something involved in flying and everything. It's going to be crazy.
That's right. Alrighty, guys, y'all sit back and enjoy. We got a wild episode in front of y'all today. They're taking this thing out. We're going to be working on it. We're going to be test driving it, getting the bugs worked out, and all kinds of stuff. So y'all sit back and enjoy. Alrighty, guys and gals, I thought I'd do a quick recap of Jesse's 55. This thing, we've done anything from taking the 6-cylinder out of it, putting a small block Chevrolet in it, putting Holley EFI on this thing. We've put a Vortex supercharger on it. We've even dropped out the old broke Turbo 350 it was in this thing and put a brand new TSR Turbo 400 in this bad boy. The last episode, we put a brand new Quick Performance 9-inch rear end in it with brand new axles, brand new third member, brand new brakes as well to go on it. And this episode, it's time to test drive this bad boy and see what all we can get into here. Alrighty, guys and gals, we're about to fire this thing up. We're going to make sure it's got plenty of fluid in the transmission, make sure it goes in forward, reverse, and all that stuff, and we'll go from there, okay? Alright, let's get into it. Just fire the drill brake. Alrighty, guys, I thought I'd just kind of talk about some things here while me and Jesse are literally just getting transmission fluid to go through the trans. We're trying to make sure it goes in forward, trying to make sure it goes in reverse. We're trying to make sure it goes into first gear, second gear, and third. We're also just double checking the trans brake that it will engage the reverser and stuff when he does put it in reverse, and also trying to help him get used to it as well. At the same time, we're also double checking the brakes and making sure Jesse's got good brakes before we get it out there on the road. I know a lot of people's probably asking what the heck happened in the last episode. Did you figure out what the problem was with the wiring? Yes, we did. It was literally just as simple as a body strap ground. It wasn't the switch. How I even figured out the problem was when I get in the driver's seat or get back out of the driver's seat, it was like we'd get power, then lose power type of deal. And then I started looking at grounds, and sure enough, we found a body strap ground that was unhooked, and that was the problem. So got it hooked up, boom, everything back to working again. So guys, sorry about that in the last episode. We literally just missed a body strap ground. So you guys be sure to keep an eye on those. If you work on these hot rods and if you loosen up a ground strap or accidentally take one off, boy, it will fight you to death trying to figure out where the problem is, and that was definitely our problem. So anyways, guys, we're getting close here to make sure everything's good to go, and we'll get ready to do some test driving here, so y'all just hold on tight. Alrighty, guys, we just went through the gears right there on that. Jesse still got a little bit getting used to there on putting the reverser in and using a trans brake and all that stuff. So we got a little bit of test driving we got to do with this thing, and we're going to test the brakes and stuff down on the ground and see how it does. So yeah, guys, y'all just hold on tight. Yeah, buddy. All right. You're good my way. There you go. Good. Fill and brake, first gear. All right, turn the switch off. There you go. brakes real hard. All right, let it roll forward a little bit. Now slam on them. Okay, all right, I'm cool with that. Yeah, I'm cool with that. All right, guys, temp's looking good. Oh yeah, guys, we're looking good now. Big shout out to Stiffy's Beard Shop.
What she can do, turn it up a little bit.
It's time to go to Mexico. Let go.
Yeah, man.
Not bad, not bad. Not bad. All right, gear turned around.
About time I'm smelling some darn tire smoke.
Lord, took forever.
Ain't no drawing behind us, are they? 1600, right?
Yeah. There you go.
That hood's done, brother.
Well, guys, we just lightened things up a bunch.
Yeah, the old-fashioned way. Dang, it's a bummer, but you live and learn, dude.
It ripped the hood right clean off the car.
Glad we had it bolted down. That's what blows me away.
It
The
killed
bolts are still in it.
It killed that hood too. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
All right.
that hood's gonna make a wicked wall hanger. That's about it, man. That hood's done, dude.
All right, guys, we're gonna get this thing home, reevaluate.
That's it.
All right, guys and gals, we got the 55 home, and definitely had some help from some local friends in the area. They were driving by and saw we was in need, and they threw the hood in the back of their truck bed and helped us get home and stuff. So we definitely appreciate that, and we hooked them up with some t-shirts. So definitely, guys, sometimes when you're out and about testing in Mexico, sometimes things happen and you need some help.
All right, guys. After the drama's settled down, hood's back off the car, but look at it. It is done. If you can tell by the louvers, it's a big dip right in there. If you get a side view on it. Yep, right there it is. And then it folded both corners. So, yeah, it was a real disheartening situation, but hey, that's hot rodding by the end of the day. If you ain't treating it like a hot rod, it ain't a hot rod. So, come to conclusion, I'm not getting rid of this hood. This hood means the world to me, and I'm going to be building me a shop in the future. So this is going to be a killer wall hanger. I'm going to dechrome it, and I'm going to order me a VFN 2-inch cal hood fiberglass for it. And I'm going to use this piece of chrome and hopefully use that centerpiece. If not, that's all right. Can't use the bird, but I mean, I can use it. I just got to drill the holes and everything and make it work, but I doubt I'm going to use it. I'm just going to use that piece and hopefully that piece. Get me a glass hood on it and then get me a fiberglass front bumper too, so I'll lighten up the front end. But yeah, there it is. Sad situation, but it's all right. We'll get another one on there and get back to hot rodding.
Alrighty, guys, brand new merch item is now up and available. Check this out. Brand new can coolers, man, these things are sweet. They fit a standard size Coke can, so heck yeah, man. You guys definitely need to pick these up. They're on the website, and they are up for sale. Definitely big shout out to AB Custom Designs. Appreciate you. We also do have a few hats left. These are actually our only hats that's left, is those 3 right there. And of course, we have our t-shirts as well. So if you guys are wanting some last minute merch items, be sure and pick those up. So again, brand new, brand spanking new right there. Those things are sweet. Get these while you can. We've already sold a bunch of these, and we got to get those shipped out. So anyways, thank you guys so much. Alrighty guys, so I actually had to work on this throttle pedal linkage right here a little bit. This is the original linkage that's on the car. We've been having some issues with it where it's like really sensitive, so let's test drive this thing again. I'm not quite sure if we got it fixed or not, but let's see what it does. Easy now.
I'm trying. Hell, man,
It's a little peppy.
hell, it made it worse.
It feels like it's got a little bit more oomph to it.
Yeah, it does. Mine have done need that little bit of transmission fluid we put in it.
Yep.
I mean, it didn't help the situation, but at least I got a little bit of throttle control. We
Yeah.
had nothing.
Yeah.
I was just going on my big toe and luck.
Yeah, we found his original throttle pedal down there. God, this is a little bit of a handful to drive.
Yeah, dude.
A lot better. Alright, ease up on it.
See a little bit of smoke come out.
Yeah, it's coming out of valve covers. That's a
That's a
lot.
lot better, man.
That's a lot better.
100, I like that. That's smooth, man.
Yeah.
Not bad, is it? It's a lot better, man.
Yeah, it's getting a lot better. Still got some. We're going to do something different with the throttle pedal. You ain't gonna be able to drive it around town.
Yeah.
All right, guys, what's going on? Got some really great news. Man, the past 2 weeks have been really fully loaded of a lot of cool stuff for the GTO that's coming together for us for 2024 race season. We had Ace Garage Doors that came on board last week. They're a brand new sponsor of ours. Be sure to check them out on Facebook as well. And also, Jonesborough Armory is signing back on for another race season with us. This past race season, Jonesborough Armory was a huge, huge help to us. Man, they kept us in the fight, kept us racing, and man, they helped us out so much this past race season. And now they're going to help us out again with a lot of stuff for this upcoming season. And we are super, super happy about that. So Jonesborough Armory, thank you guys so much. They hooked us up with some tools. They hooked us up with a bunch of stuff to go towards the car. And man, we're excited. So yeah, guys, this race season is coming on close. We've got sponsors coming on board. We've got partners coming on board. We're going to keep hustling, keep bringing more people on board. And man, it's time to get after it this coming season. So you guys just sit back, and we've got a lot more coming to you.
Hold on.
Jesse, man, we made it to the top of the hill.
Made it to the top of the hill. No issues. Car's running good. But, man.
No issues.
Well, yeah,
we've been fighting issues all day.
But, dang, it's at least rolling. You got it.
Oh, my gosh. This thing has fought us today.
Oh
my Lord. But we've had a blast. We've had a really good time with it.
Had a dang good time, man. Just days we'll never forget. And I don't know, but lay in the comments, hey, like that flight we had with the hood.
Oh, my gosh.
Mack, I'm sorry, buddy. I'm telling you, it hurt me in the heart because, man, I friggin' love that hood, but, hey, it's hot rodding. I mean,
it is what it is,
It is what it is, but
So
I'm going to, vice versa, I've been talking, I want multiple hoods for this car, and I'm going to get me another steel hood, and probably I'm going to end up ordering me a glass hood this go-round. So that way, when it'll be a hood back on, it'll be a glass hood, cow hood too. So, yeah, we got that done. Houston, my man here, he's been fighting this old wiring harness for what, a week now?
Yeah, a week.
And fighting it, and well, it went back down to one obvious thing. We figured out 2:30 this morning, which was day Saturday. So this morning it's 2:37. We figured it out.
Yep.
We was weak of ground strap.
Yep.
Something that simple, but it happens.
Guys, it's just been thrashing on us, and we've had me and Jesse. He works night shift, and so when we get time to work together on this car, it's normally crazy late in the morning or late at night or whatever. Yeah. And man, it's just been fighting us. So
but hey, on the positive note, we got the new transmission in it, got the shifter in it. I mean, we got the back brakes on it now. It's got disc on all four corners now. That's a big move for me, because I'm telling you, if you've dealt with drums, getting disc on your old classic is a big move.
Yeah, for sure.
It's just aggravating, but man, we kicked her in the butt. So till next time, you know the deal. Like and share. You smash that subscribe button so you keep up me and his junk, and we'll all have a good time.
That's right, guys. So anyways, we appreciate y'all. Again, this thing has just fought us today. We've had a lot of stuff going on with it, and but we had a good time doing it, and we got a lot more content coming y'all's way with this thing. Right now, what's going on with it is we're down about, it feels about like half power every time we went to go make a lick with it.
It needs new throttle setup.
Yeah, we need
new struggle on the struggle bus.
New throttle cable, new throttle pedal, and all that stuff. It's still got all the original stuff in it. I'll show it to you right there. This thing right here, and it's really hard to drive. Like, it's crazy hard to drive. You barely touch. You touch the pedal, and it's trying to get sideways with you or whatever.
Yeah, you barely just crack on it. It's wide open. It's like daggum riding a buck and bronco. I mean.
So we're trying to get used to driving it, but we'll get it figured out, and we'll get it better and better. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate you. Jesse, let's get out of here.
That's it, man.